Good day everyone. This is a demonstration video for the Zmartware kit. Imagine the following scenario. A man turned on his room light as he prepared to go to the work. And as he rushed outside from his home, he forgot to turn off his room light. When he arrived at the office, he realized he had forgotten to turn off his room light. With the Zmartware kit installed, he can easily turn on or off his domestic appliances or outlets from anywhere in the world using smartphone. Then now I am turning on the socket 4 on mobile. The socket 4 is connected in the charger, turned on. Then I turned off in the mobile, it shows the real-time feedback. Then now I am pressing all the buttons in the smartphone, then every socket is getting turned on. Now I am manually turning off the sockets using manual switches. Then the mobile gets real-time feedback and now it is getting turned off. This is the Zmartware installation kit, Zmartware Future Ahead.